I got some things in from Amazon over the week. I'm doing a full separate Amazon haul for that, so stay tuned on that if it's not already out. If it is, I'll tag it at the top of this video. I forgot to charge you guys last night, so I have to speak quick before the camera dies. Then I'm gonna put you guys on the charger. I'm gonna finish getting set up for the day, for the work day, and tell you guys what I'm going to do for the day. Welcome back to another small business vlog. I have a bunch of spooky box orders that I need to pack, and I also have some football purse orders that I need to pack. These 2 orders will completely sell me out of my football bags, so I need to place a restock order for those. And I have some cold cups that I need to make for the spooky boxes, and I have 1 t-shirt that I need to make. I also got this bookshelf off of Amazon that we're going to build in this video as well, so stay tuned, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this week's video.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, traveling, difficult. Let's know. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes you, nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Ride around the club, ride around the trip, ride around the dick, ride around the slap me up, babe. Don't wanna fit, ride around the world.
I'm going to take a little bit of a break from packing orders, and I'm going to go ahead and put this shelf together so that I can go ahead and revamp this space here. I'm going to move all of the clothes that are on the rack onto my other shelf. I'm probably going to move that into the other room next door and put my Depop stuff on it. I'm going to watch some TikTok on my phone while I do this. Let's get started. I wanted the bookcase off of IKEA, but I did not want to wait for it to come. And we don't have an IKEA anywhere nearby.
You can pretend you don't miss me. You can pretend you don't care. All you wanna do is kiss me. Oh, what a shame I'm not there. But I guess being only fits me.
This is what it's looking like right now. I think I'm going to put this back on the other shelf and just take these out of here and just stack them on the shelf. I think that'll be really, really cute. But this is what I have right now. I have it put together. I have it over here in the corner. I have my little Halloween decoration up top. And I have some of my cold cups right here that I have for sale. It's not as tall as I thought it would be. It's like the same height as me, basically. But it'll do. It'll do. And you can adjust the shelves higher or lower. I put them in the middle for all of them so that they were all equally spaced out. But I'm not liking how this is overhanging, so I'm going to change that. And I think I'm going to move that one also. Let's play with it and we'll see. I just made this really cute shirt. It is a heliconia pink and I did black sparkle glitter. I absolutely love this one. I might make one of these for myself, honestly. This is so, so cute. This is a size small, so I'm going to go ahead and pack this up.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let no, I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I can do, what I can do. Right around the love, right around the truth, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, right around the talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body takes that you do know. But we'll never fall out of love with you. I didn't wanna fight.
It's a new day. It is currently Wednesday, August 20th. I am taking new product photos for my new colorway of the Croc bow charms that I got in. This is one of my best sellers on my shop. I have them in multiple colors. Let me show you guys all of the colors just in case you're interested in purchasing them. I have so many colors to choose from. I keep them all in this container here. I have some red ones, hot pink, I have them in white, I have them in black, lavender. I also added this color red. This is more of like a Hello Kitty red, so I need to add this one to the website as well. This like rose gold pink color. This color is a new color. This is gold. I also got this new color as well, which is the forest green, and I think that's everything. I've also made some changes in my background, if you guys have noticed. If you did notice the changes in the background, comment down below. I noticed. I have this new backdrop that I'm working on. I'm trying to figure out kind of how I want it to look in the back of my video. So far, I'm liking this setup. I have the glitter curtains on the outside, and then in the middle as the base, I have a pink photo backdrop that I got off of Amazon. You can check out that Amazon haul here. And I just added these twinkle curtain lights to it, and so far I am really liking how it looks. I want to add some kind of light back here so that it brightens up the video. Actually, I have this stick light that I don't really use anymore, which might be perfect for that. And it's fully charged. Let me go throw this back there. Do we want to do pink? Let's try out some different colors and see. Let's try a couple of the different colors. This, I can change it to pretty much whatever color I want. So let's try it out and see what kind of vibes it gives and if it's giving the vibes that I'm going for. Where should I put it? Do I put it like on the shelf right there? Let me see how that looks. Ideally, I don't want my Cricut in the background, so I'll probably have it like this. That looks good to me. Now I could also move the backdrop further over, then I'll have I don't know. I'm gonna keep playing with it and see what I can come up with. I didn't stop at Sonic today. I got lunch from the hibachi place up the street, and I got me a sweet tea to go with it, but I'm going to keep playing with this light for right now. I don't really it don't look bad. Let me put it up top and see what that does. And then if up top doesn't look good, I'm gonna put it on the floor behind the shelf. That doesn't look bad, right? Or am I just tripping? That don't look bad. That don't look bad at all. I don't know, I'm gonna leave it like that for now. And if you guys are liking this setup, let me know. If you see anything that I should change, let me know. I'm still working on this shelf and kind of like putting things differently so that it looks aesthetic, so that it looks nice in the background. Let me turn on the regular lights, the overhead lights, so that you guys can see everything. This is with the overhead lights on. It does kind of like balance out all of the rest of the light, but I've seen people say that overhead lighting is not like good for recording videos. They say that like natural lighting is best. I don't know, I'll have to see when I'm editing this if it looks any different or if it looks any better. I'm still learning. I am still a new YouTuber. I've had this channel for about a year now. This is the current setup. All I have left to do now is kind of tidy up the space, get rid of this. Well, not get rid of. I need to find somewhere else to put this container. Honestly, I will probably just leave it right there because it's not bothering me right now and it's not in my way. Pick your battles, pick your battles. I guess I'm going to start editing this video. You guys make me so nervous. Oh, it's weird talking to a camera. I see why all the YouTubers are like, you're gonna feel cringe, but cringe is what makes you money. I'm gonna take some pictures for the thumbnail. Yeah, y'all are finna see me make some real clickbaity pictures, but I'm sorry. I always raise the exposure up. I'm just gonna take a bunch of pictures so that I can reuse some of these for other pieces of content. And I'm gonna take some clips while I look semi-decent so that I can use those and repurpose them in my content as well. I realize that y'all probably cannot hear me. It is Thursday. Most of my morning was spent getting my nails done. They didn't open until 9, so I didn't end up getting there until 9:30, and I didn't end up leaving until 11 because it had a person in front of me, but that's fine because I didn't make an appointment. But I went and got my nails done. I'm loving this color. It matches my desk mat so well. I think it'll look really, really pretty in my pack and order video, in my content. Super cute. They are a glitter pink. It's a gel polish in the color I think it was bubblegum. I didn't get any orders last night, which is so okay. That gives me time to catch up on some of the things around the office. So as you can see, the backdrop, this is how I'm going to leave it for now. The shelf, this is also how I'm going to leave it for now. But I'd like to completely redo it. Let's do a little bit more admin work like usual. And I'm going to probably put another YouTube video on, or maybe listen to some music while I do that. My Amazon packages were delivered, so I'm going to go outside and get them. I ordered a lot more things for the office and some more supplies for the spooky boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and film the clips for my Amazon haul. Then I'll show you guys a couple of the things that I got. This is a case for my new MacBook Pro. I used to make beauty vlogs, so I'm not that opposed to doing makeup content with you guys. And I'm going to be using the tried and true LA Girl Pro Concealer and see which one I like best. I got two of them. This one is in medium beige and this one is in warm honey. I should have got one up. I think it was fawn. I should have got that one. But I'm going to do my under eyes real quick. So I did the darker shade on the outside, and then I'm gonna let that dry down, blend it out, and then I'm gonna put the lighter color. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lighter color on the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and put medium beige on the inner